This is Nitin from CSC branch. The allotted topic for CAA2 assignment was about present tense and past tense usage with example. At the end of the session, we will know about the introduction to present tense and past tense. What is present tense? What is past tense? Forming present tense verbs, forming past tense verbs, exceptions to the rules, using present and past tense in a sentence, and conclusion for this topic. Introduction to tenses. In English grammar, verbs are often used in a way that it indicates or denotes the time when an event occurred. These verbs that take up different forms to indicate the time of an action. Event or condition by changing its form are called as tenses. Tenses can be broadly classified into three broad categories. Those are past tense, present tense, future tense. What is present tense? Definition. Present tense is a word describing an action that is currently happening or always true. Example. Examples of present tense verbs include I walk to work, she eats breakfast every day, he studies French. These are the examples for present tense. What is past tense? Definition. Past tense is a word describing an action that has already happened. Examples of past tense verbs include I walked to work yesterday. She ate breakfast this morning. He studied French last year. Forming present tense verbs. Regular verbs. Add yes or es for third person singular. Example, play, plays. Irregular verbs do not follow a specific pattern and must be memorized. Example, go, goes. Modal verbs do not change form based on the subject. Example, should plus verb. Forming past tense verbs. Regular verbs add ed to the base form of the verb. Example, play, played. Irregular verbs do not follow a specific pattern and must be memorized. Example, go, went. Exceptions to the rules. Spelling changes. Some verbs changes spelling when adding ed or ing. Example, stop, stop. Irregular verbs. Some common verbs have entirely different past tense forms. Example, be, was a verb. Using present and past tense in a sentence. Present tense. Present tense can show actions happening now, habits, or general truths. Example, he eats pizza every Friday. Past tense. Past tense can show completed actions or events that took place in the past. Example, she visited her grandparents last weekend. Perfect tense. Use have or had to form the perfect tense for past or present actions that are still in effect. Example, I have worked here for 5 years. Conclusion. Practice makes perfect. Mastering present and past tense takes practice and patience. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Keep practicing and you will get there. By this, we will know about the present and past tense usage with examples. Thank you, ma'am.